doesn't put ama-points.
Ukuthi ngi-artist.
Yeah.
Antana ish.
Like yakufakela ama-points.
Angikhulumi ngayo lento le manga-approach ugeli. Ukuthi like
asikhona ugeli owaziyo vele kahle.
Mina ogeli abangaziyo ka bangazi sengibatshelile. Abantu ka abageli ababha abanye basazi sesibatshelile.
So once umtshela like that shit react different like that shit give up a different vibe. Ukuthi he's an artist.
This days ayimangalisi lento. This days ayimangalisi lento le.
No, mara you know ukuthi
I feel like ayimangalisi ka abogeli ka. That's why.
Yeah.
That's the time begin okay for me. Okay, this day is in my tickets. I'm told. Show my tickets for each was it's with Le Shanghai 29.
Yeah.
It's for over your bogey cow. What's this? My tickets to cow. But go no about no peak. That's boozer the question there. Wow, you call no peak so that's up.
I think that's a bad question. Like to ask.
Sina Sati. Na kuna artist singama artist akusola sikuline up bathi ay bathi ayingasitsheli ngani ayingeke fethu shaferi sisebesikhona usesebathi hayi nina simfuna ngeke sinscreamele no ngiyasho ngithi
actually abantwana ba Facebook
mina ngibazi ka abantwana be Facebook bathi ngiyangeke sinscreamele bathi ngiyangeke sinscreamele talk like
mara talk me
so like no give next thina sithu no give this nyokuthi mabusi challenges kanjalo nabona siyahleka so like ayisafasa siyahleka sithi hayi bayeke la bayi angithola mara basho bathi ake bascreamele ndoda
so bafuna screamele ukuthi simaphuma ngindaba nawo
sina nokuthi sina into abakhenyayo ukuthi singama-upcoming
no plus bakhashela umuntu ongabaziyo noma engaze bewazi angeke angabashela
into ngithi these days hayi
like that's the painful part
into ngithi these days isipani
those people are big
sure
banabogeli babo abantu cabanga wena umpori angikelo like us over uputhuli phongolo
obvious
amazi uphongolo nje
kuyadepende nakupela ugeli wakhonsi banjo
hayi baba like us angaze ngibona ugeli usondela phongolo amazi uphongolo
hayi mina ngiyazi bonke ugeli wasekasa
abekho
mina wazi bonke
kawo
bra
no kawo just fire
bra I don't think ngidid these days ni ayisipani yabona boy upcoming dog mfana so kumele like vele la kuze ngiwave yabona upcoming ngiyakhe show ukuthi yaka ama strategy akasipani so